Hello, mathematicians. Today we're going to be learning about exponents. We're going to learn how to go from exponent form to standard form. This means we'll be writing exponents as a multiplication expression. 3 to the power of 4 is a numerical expression that shows the number 3 being multiplied by itself 4 times. Instead of writing the same number multiplied over and over, we can use a base and exponent to write it in a shorter and easier way. Here we have 3 to the power of 4, and that is written in exponent form. And that is equal to 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, which is written in standard form. Here, in standard form, we could see 3 being repeated over and over 4 times because our exponent is 4. So we could actually see the repeated factor. So our base is the number written before the exponent. It represents the factor that is being repeated over and over. And our exponent is a small number written above and to the right of the base. The exponent tells us how many times we multiply the base by itself. Here we have 7 to the power of 2, or we could read this as 7 squared, and it is written in exponent form. Our goal is to write this into standard form. So first, let's identify our base. The number blank is used as a repeated factor. In this case, that would be 7. For our exponent, 7 is used as a repeated factor blank times. That would be 2 because our exponent is 2. And in order to write this in standard form, we have to write 7 squared using repeated multiplication. So 7 squared is equal to 7 times 7. Here we have another example with a fraction, and it is 4 over 5 to the power of 3, or we could read this as 4 over 5 cubed. It is written in exponent form, and our goal again is to take this and write it into standard form. First, let's identify our base. So the number blank is used as a repeated factor. In this case, that would be 4 over 5. For our exponent, 4 over 5 is used as a repeated factor blank times. That would be 3 because our exponent is 3. And now to write this in standard form, we have to write 4 over 5 cubed using repeated multiplication. So 4 over 5 cubed is equal to 4 over 5 times 4 over 5 times 4 over 5. And finally, we have our last example, which includes a decimal. So we have 2/10 to the power of 4, and that's written in exponent form. And again, our goal is to take this and write it into standard form. To start us off, let's identify the base. So the number blank is used as a repeated factor. In this case, that would be 2/10. Now, for our exponent, 2/10 is used as a repeated factor blank times. That would be 4 because our exponent is 4. Now, to write this in standard form, we have to write 2/10 to the power of 4 using repeated multiplication. So 2/10 to the power of 4 is equal to 2/10 times 2/10 times 2/10 times 2/10. And that's it.